everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie, and today's video I'm going to make over a table with chairs. I bought this table for $50 on Facebook Marketplace, and I bought the 5 chairs for $50 separate on the Facebook Marketplace. The table has some scratch, and the top is not really wood, it's veneer and with sparkly wood. Have some scratch. Need you some love. On the middle of my project, I decided to change the chairs for this one, another set I bought on a Facebook Marketplace for $100, and I'm go on this 6 chairs on my dining room set. Now I'm disassembling the cushions of the chairs. use Rust-Oleum in sharp pink black, in black. The second coat of the table, but first I'm go light sand with 220 the grit sandpaper. After 3 coats of paint, it's time to protect my table. I'm going to use Polycrylic in clear satin. It's time to protect my table. On the top I'm going to protect my table with Polycrylic clear satin and with a synthetic brush. Time to put the guides on it, back on it. The table turns out so beautiful. You remember before all the scratch, and now love how this table turns out. And the shares is for next video, because I thought this project will be a good project for the winter, but paintbrush all the shares is not fun. And next week video will be the 6 shares. I hope you enjoyed my video like I did to make it. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on next one. Bye.